Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Skill India. So today we are going to know about the new topic, that is incident management, which is a very important topic in managing IT infrastructure. So that is the reason we took this topic, and today we are going to learn about incident management. So hi, my name is Purushottam. I'm working for one of the top third IT MNC as a general manager, having 17 plus years of experience in IT, SAP, and project management. So with all my experience, I'm going to take you through the incident management and overall process. So let us continue and see like what all things we are going to cover today. So the agenda for today is what is incident management, the importance of incident management, type of incident, incident management process overview, key roles in incident management versus problem management, incident prioritization, tools for incident management, benefits of effective incident management. So all these things we are going to cover in today's session. Now let us see what is incident management. So the definition of incident management is the process of identifying, managing, and resolving IT incidents to restore normal service operations as quickly as possible. The goal of incident management is to minimize the impact of incidents on business operations. The importance of incident management in any organization is incidents are disrupt daily operations and can affect productivity, revenue, and customer satisfaction. So normally whenever any incident happens, there is a business impact, because incident means the problem, like something is not working, right? So incident is a disrupt of daily operations, and it affects the productivity, the operation, the revenue, everything. So the objective of incident management is to quickly address and resolve the disruptions, reduce downtime, and minimize negative impact. Type of incidents. First is service disruption. A service become unavailable or degraded. So normally service disruption is like, for example, if there is any portal, take an example of Indian Railway where we book the railway tickets. For example, if that portal is not available, then people will not be able to book their tickets. They will not be able to travel, right? So it is like a service unavailable, right? Or for example, if there is any big sale offer or something, or for example, if there is a lottery system. So during that system, there is a huge load on the system, and because of that portal doesn't work as expected. So it means like the service is degraded, right? So this kind of issues comes under service disruption. Now the second one is a security incident, wherein data breaches, cyber attacks, or unauthorized access happened. Normally you might have run like there is a DDoS attack, or there is a ransomware attack, or data breach or a cyber attack. So all those incidents are categorized under security incident. The third one is hardware and software failure, where the system or the application malfunctions happen. In that case, the hardware or the software doesn't work properly. For example, if your server is not getting start, or your server is continuously restart, or your application is not functioning well, or it is running very slow. So those kind of issues are getting categorized in hardware or software failures. And the last one is user errors, wherein incorrect user actions leading to an issue. For example, if a person is working on any of the system and they did some changes, or they while updating something, the system started misbehaving. So all those issues can be treated as a user errors. Now let us understand the incident management process overview. The steps are: categorized in six different stages. So the first one is identification. In that, basically what we do is we identify or we detect the incident and create incident or a log incident. So we first need to detect like the incident has happened. For example, server is not working, application is not working, or there is some attack has happened. So in that case, we need to detect that there is some incident has happened and log a case for the incident. The second one is categorization. In that, we classify the incident. For example, the severity, whether it is a high, it is low, it is urgent, right? And the type we categorize. The third one is prioritization, where we see or we determine the urgency based on the impact. For example, the impact is very high, because of that no manufacturing operation is happening, or there is no billing or invoice is not happening. If the impact is very low, where it can be manageable, so based on the urgency, based on the business impact, we can prioritize the incident. The fourth one is investigation and diagnosis, where our technical team can analyze the root cause. And the fifth one is resolution. So in resolution, when the root cause is analyzed, then implement the fix or the workaround and resolve the incident or resume the services. And the last one is closure. So in closure, basically what we do is we ensure the incident is fully resolved and we documented it, so that if the same incident will happen in future, we can refer that document and we can resolve as quickly as possible. The key role of incident management. So there are multiple roles are involved. So the first one is incident management, who oversees the incident management process, like the categorization or detecting incident and logging a case, monitor all the service, all this process. All those things are taken care by incident management. The second one is service desk team, which basically receives and logs the incident, offer the initial support. The third one is the technical support team, who investigate and resolve the incident. And the last one is end user. It can be a business user, it can be a customer, who report the issue and provide the feedback whether it is resolved or not resolved. Now let us understand, because the incident and the problem, because many people get confused. They think like incident and problem is same, but actually it is not the same. Both things are different and both things has its own purpose, right? So let us understand what is the incident and problem. Yeah, so incident management focuses on resolving immediate disruption and restoring the services. For example, if there is any issue happened, for example your server is down, your portal is down, then under incident management, basically what we do is we identify the issue, we analyze the root cause, and we solve the issue as quickly as possible. Wherein problem management investigates the root cause of reoccurring incident. Please remember, it is for recurring incidents and aims to prevent them in future. So basically problem management focusing on only reoccurring incidents which are continuously repeating. For example, if your server is getting not responded state, or not working once in a year, then it can be an incident and we can find out the root cause and we can resolve that issue. But if your server is every day is going down, then you no need to treat it as an incident, then it is a problem, right? And considering that incident, repetitive incident, you need to work on that, like how you can fix it permanently and avoid in future. So this is the major difference between incident and problem. Incident prioritization. So there are multiple factors which we need to consider. So the first one is impact, wherein how widespread the incident is, like how big is the impact. So that we need to understand from a business point of view. The second one is urgency, like how quickly the service needs to be restored. So basically when we will get to know the impact, for example if the impact is very high, then as early as possible we need to fix that issue. So urgency is also very high, right? So these all things we need to categorize. And the third one is severity, wherein we will mark this incident as a critical, high, low, or medium based on the business impact. Tools for incident management. So here we will get to know like which all tools are being used for incident management. So in ITSM platform, we have multiple tools like ServiceNow, Jira Service Desk, or BMC Remedy. So there are n number of tools you will see in the market, but these three are largely known or largely used ITSM tool. Now let us see the monitoring tool for IT operations or IT infrastructure. So the NAGIOS, SolarWinds, or Datadog can be used, and these are largely used tools. The third one is communication tool, wherein Slack, Microsoft Teams, or emails are largely used for a communication or doing interaction between technical team and users or the technical team and the customer. Benefits of effective incident management. The first one is reduce downtime. So under that, what we can do is we can fast response and resolution of incident, increase the productivity, minimize the disruption to business operations so that productivity can be increased. Improved customer satisfaction. So if we will fix our issue as quickly as possible, then it will definitely help us to have the better user experience. The last one is proactive problem prevention, wherein when we know like which all incident happened, and if we documented it, definitely it will help us to prevent in future. So these are the benefits of incident management. So this is all about incident management. I hope you understood like what incident management is. So if you want to make your career as an incident manager, then definitely all these things you need to understand. So I hope you enjoy this session, and if you have any question, feel free to comment. We will definitely get back to you. So thank you for attending this session. Happy learning. Have a good day. Thank you.